How to make money online introduction. If you're looking to make money online, there are many ways to do so. You can invest in real estate, sell products on Amazon, or create your own ebooks. But one of the most common methods is joining a multi-level marketing company. These companies offer people an opportunity to make money by selling products from other members who have recruited them into their network or downline. In this article, we'll go over 5 different ways that you can get started with MLM today. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a great way to make money, but it's not for everyone. Real estate can be a long-term investment, and the amount you have to put up varies depending on where you live. If you want to invest in real estate, start with something small like a condo or house and work your way up from there. Real estate agents are often willing to help investors find properties at good prices by showing them around town. They'll also provide advice on how much they should pay each month when they are renting out their place or even buying. You may need some paperwork like an appraisal or mortgage application before getting approved by bank lenders, but don't worry. There are plenty of resources online that will teach you how everything works before taking action yourself so that nothing gets lost along the way. Get paid to take surveys. Get paid to take surveys. Survey companies are everywhere, and you can make money by doing market research for them. You can also test products, write reviews, and be a mystery shopper for companies looking for feedback on their products or services. Some survey companies have an option where you get paid every time you fill out a survey, like Smikebucks. For example, my mystery shopper site pays out $5 just by filling out surveys. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to earn money online, but it's not for everyone. You'll need to be careful about how much you invest and what kind of investments you choose. How much should I invest? There are no hard rules for how much money you should put into the stock market, but experts generally recommend that people invest between 10% and 20% of their net worth every year. If this seems like an overwhelming amount of money, start small. Start by investing $100 per month or whatever amount feels right and work your way up from there. Asterisk, how do I pick stocks? If investing sounds like too big of a leap right now, consider finding a few companies that interest you and then seeing if they're listed on Yahoo Finance or Google Finance or whatever site helps keep track. Once there's enough information available about those companies' performance over time, and especially during periods when things were good, then it might be worth looking into buying shares directly through online brokerages like Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade instead. Asterisk, launch your own product. If you don't have a lot of startup money and you want to make money online, it's possible to launch your own product without any investment. You can do this by creating an e-commerce website or selling your products through Etsy or Amazon. If you are looking for ways to make money online without spending a lot of time or effort, then this is the way to go. Sell your photos. Selling your photos online is a great way to make money. You can do this by selling them directly to clients or through websites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Selling directly. If you have an amazing portfolio of photos that others would love to purchase, then selling them yourself is the best option. The only downside here is that it takes some time and effort and skill before you'll be able to get anything close to real income from this method. However, if your goal is just exposure and experience with the process of selling online, then go ahead. Create and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. Create and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. You can create an ebook about any topic you know about, then upload it to the Amazon Kindle store. You'll make money from royalties, which means that people who buy your book pay you a fee for each copy sold through their device, like an iPad. This can be especially lucrative if you have a large social following who might want to purchase your book. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you're looking to make money online, it's time to start a blog or a YouTube channel. With these platforms, you can create content that reaches millions of people and get paid for it. To get started, create an account on WordPress, the most popular platform, or Tumblr. There are tons of tutorials online if you need help setting up your site, but once it's ready for publishing, just post regularly about whatever topic is important to you. Make sure that what you want in life comes across when writing about it. Don't just write some generic content just because someone told you not to. If possible, share this content via social media sites like Facebook or Twitter so others will see how good their lives could be if only they did something else instead of going out all night drinking beers with friends every weekend night until 2 a.m. at 3 a.m., then sleeping until noon again next day. Long story short, join a multi-level marketing company. Join a multi-level marketing company. If you're looking for a way to make money online, consider joining a multi-level marketing MLM company. These companies offer products or services, and you can sell them through sales calls or through direct marketing campaigns on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. You may also be able to recruit people into the business by promoting it on your own social media accounts and websites where people are already interested in purchasing from you directly instead of through an MLM distributor like Amway or Avon Products Inc., which pay commissions every time someone buys their product line. Asterisk, do your research before choosing one. Asterisk, the best thing about starting an MLM business is that there are hundreds of different businesses out there with different niches. However, many fail because they don't do enough research before diving headfirst into this type of opportunity. Asterisk, you can make money without having to leave your home. You can make money without having to leave your home. You don't need a college degree to do it, and there are many ways for you to make money online. You may be thinking that this is impossible because I haven't mentioned anything about having any certifications or experience in the field before now, but I promise you that this is possible and even easy. There are so many ways that people earn their livings online today without leaving their homes. Blogging, affiliate marketing, which means selling other people's products, ebooks, which means writing books from home, and more. Conclusion, you see, there are many ways to make money online. You just have to find the ones that work best for you and then go for it. The sky's the limit when it comes down to earning an income online. The possibilities are endless, so keep trying new things until something sticks.